Happy Sunday, everyone. This is my favorite day of the week. It's church time and it's time to get refreshed, refueled for the rest of the week. And it's also family time. And so some of the kids will be coming over in just a little bit. And Austin will be making Spanish rice and his quesadillas that we all love. And so hang with me, guys, and we will get this show on the road. So, who doesn't like fried pies? I made apple and chocolate. Who wants one? Jack, Miss Molly. Oh, yes, it's time for quesadillas. So the wind is blowing like crazy today, so I had to block out the sound of the wind on my video. But Austin is doing a great job on Blackstone Griddle. He's a wonderful cook, especially outdoors. He loves to cook things on the smoker and even has his own recipes, and he does very well, and we're very excited to get to taste his quesadillas with his special sauce. He also has his own business called Hydro Customs, so if you need anything hydro dipped, give him a call. Oh my, here comes the chickens. They want to join the party. Oh yes. Very thankful for all 25 hens. They give us lots of yummy eggs. So here we have Pepper and Cisco, and they are full of energy. Constantly on the move. And they love to wrestle each other. They do this all the time. They're 7 months old. I've had them since they were 4 months old. So Pepper and Cisco are my greenhouse kitties, and they keep my greenhouse free of all pests, especially mice, and I'm so thankful for that. So it looks like Austin is ready to start putting the quesadillas together. Here comes Mackenzie. It's his girlfriend, and she's part of our family. She's going to help him put them together. Man, the wind is blowing like crazy. It never fails when we want to do something outside. It seems like the wind picks up. That's that good old Oklahoma wind. Oh man, those look so good. Getting ready to do the rice. I love Spanish rice. And so while he's making the Spanish rice, I wanted to take time to show some of the family. This is my husband, Richard. He shot a buck last night. Jonathan, Shelby, and our grandson, Riker. Sarah and Wilder, her brand new baby. This is Rebecca. And her two boys, Tucker and Braylon. And we miss them when they're not here. Everything is looking so good. Looks like he's almost finished, and we'll be eating pretty soon, guys. Thank you, Austin and Mackenzie. Wonderful job. And so we had a wonderful day today. The food was absolutely wonderful. Austin did a great job on his quesadillas with his secret sauce. And just a wonderful time with friends and family. And it's getting a little bit cloudy, as you can see, but God is good and we are so blessed. And so, guys, I will see you in 2 weeks for another episode of Susie's Secret Recipes. Happy trails.